In this video, we'll be solving a question on probability, and this question involves a fair die. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We have a question. A fair die is tossed. Find the probability of getting an even number. The first thing to do in this type of problem, we write out the sample space. The sample space for a fair die, if a fair die is tossed, we either get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Now, we said find the probability of getting an even number. Of course, the probability of an even number will be, we have how many even number here? 2, 4, and 6. That means we have 2, 4, and 6. It then means that the number of even number is 3. So how do we calculate the probability? Of course, we know that probability is equal to number of outcomes all over the total number of outcomes. So our probability will now be equal to 3 all over the total number of outcomes we have in this probability is 6. So it then means that our probability, of course, 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2, is 1 all over 2. So this is how we can compute the probability for a fair die. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.